Fueling recovery. The 10 best foods to eat after a workout. The post-workout nutrition window is a crucial time to replenish energy stores, repair muscles, and support recovery. Choosing the right foods can enhance these processes and maximize the benefits of your exercise routine. This video explores the 10 best foods to eat after a workout, providing insights into their nutritional benefits and how they contribute to post-exercise recovery. 1. Bananas are a convenient and nutrient-packed option for post-workout snacks. They provide a quick source of carbohydrates to replenish glycogen stores and potassium to help prevent muscle cramps. 2. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. It also contains beneficial probiotics that support gut health. Opt for plain or lightly sweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. 3. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These fats aid in reducing exercise-induced inflammation and promote joint health. The protein content in salmon supports muscle recovery. 4. Quinoa is a complete protein source, providing all essential amino acids. It also offers complex carbohydrates for sustained energy and fiber to aid digestion. This versatile grain can be an excellent base for post-workout meals. 5. Eggs are a protein powerhouse, offering essential amino acids crucial for muscle repair. They also contain vitamins like B6 and B12, important for energy metabolism. 6. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates, providing a steady release of energy. They also offer vitamins A and C, as well as potassium, supporting overall health and recovery. 7. Chocolate milk has gained popularity as a post-workout beverage due to its ideal carbohydrate-to-protein ratio. The combination of carbs and protein aids in glycogen replenishment and muscle recovery. 8. Berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, are packed with antioxidants that help combat exercise-induced oxidative stress. They also provide essential vitamins and minerals for overall health. 9. Chicken breast is a lean protein source, essential for muscle repair and growth. It also contains B vitamins, promoting energy metabolism. 10. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that provides vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a great addition to post-workout meals to support overall recovery and health. The conclusion: choosing the right foods after a workout is crucial for optimizing recovery and enhancing the benefits of exercise. The 10 foods mentioned above offer a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals to replenish energy stores, repair muscles, and support overall well-being. Tailoring your post-workout nutrition to your specific needs and preferences can further enhance the effectiveness of your fitness routine. As always, it's essential to stay hydrated and listen to your body's signals for optimal post-exercise recovery. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts.